Would you like right now to open a business, have a stronger business, build an agency, or a coaching business? Well, I have something in store for you. I'm Emery Waltz. I have over 30 years of experience with, first of all, being married to my husband. I should get an award for that. Bad jokes are free. But all kidding aside, we own local businesses, and I started building systems for our businesses about 25 years ago. The first business that I automated happened to be my hair extension studio of all things. And I'm standing outside right now of our business. And I will show you that that is over there. Okay. So, and then the garage was second. Now, what does that mean for you? It means that when you click on my link down below and you get a 30-day trial to the same platform that I'm using to automate our businesses, you are going to also be part of my community. I will introduce you to the systems that I've used, help you customize your own systems in the sense of sharing the ideas. I have free courses and assets, but it's the time compression that I can help save you. When we first started out, we started out with nothing. We had met at McDonald's parking lot back in the day before there was an app for dating, just to give you a little bit of a personal story. And then when it comes to owning the businesses, we own the commercial property now, and we went through hard times. So we get it when it comes to having to start from nowhere to building upon something that's already established and what it takes for marketing, because this is the point of difference that I'm really excited. I'm very ultra competitive about is to help you learn more about the how to marketing aspect for yourself. Because if you are going to launch a business for yourself and you are going to stand the test of time and you're going to be around for decades, I'm telling you from absolute 100% ownership and experience, being an expert with this particular opinion and topic, you have got to know something about marketing and you need to own it. You need to own it for yourself, because when you own it, let me tell you, boy, sometimes when you own a business, things are going to come your way that you didn't expect. And those are the times that you need to be prepared. And those are the times that you need to be prepared. And the best thing you can possibly have is the right support and be in the right ecosystem with the right systems. So I'm going to welcome you to the inside of my community. Click the link and take advantage of the 30-day trial. And if you're going to be in my community, don't waste one day. Don't waste one day. And then you can see over here, my car's even wrapped. Okay. So live, eat, breathe your brand. Become your brand, because that is how you're going to stand the test of time.